Hi there, I have an Ikea haul. I went to Ikea on Tuesday and I bought a couple of things. I bought these spice racks. I bought 4 of them. These are the spice rack. And I'm gonna paint them. And I think I'm gonna put my traveler's planners on them. And I'm gonna have my hubby hang them up over there for me. And I did buy 2 of the garbage cans, the plastic garbage cans that they're like this big. He already hanged them up so I can't show you. And I put my wrapping paper in there and my tripods. I have 2 tripods that is hanging from, which is in the closet. Then I bought this storage case. But I'm going to paint it and collage it with paper. I'll show you how I do that. So I bought that. Then I bought this rack, but I don't know where to put it. It's a wire rack. It's kind of flimsy because this you put here and here, and then you clap it in there. So I can't even do it. It's supposed to go like that, and then you hang it here. And then the other one, you put it there. And again, it's supposed to go in here like that. But as you can see, it moves. It's not really sturdy there. Doesn't stay put. So I don't know if with the weight of something it'll hold it steady. See, it's not holding steady. Maybe by itself, yes. Then I bought 2 of these boxes, which I'm gonna put like my what you gotta build it, but I'm gonna paint them first. Let me open this up to show you the name of it. I bought 2 of them to put the things that I'm going to give away in these 2 boxes. So it's supposed to be like that. And it's the large one. And that's the name. So I'm going to paint it first. And then build it up. You do have to screw in the screws in here to hold them up. So I bought 2 of those, and I'm gonna have my giveaway in there because it's taking up 2 drawers, and those 2 drawers I could use it for something else. And so this, I could see it is visible, and I could see how much stuff I have for Happy Mail or giveaways. So that's that for my, and I'll show you how I paint them. I'm going to paint them with acrylic paint. First I'm going to gesso them and then paint it with acrylic paint. So I bought 2 of those. Now for my Tuesday morning haul. It's not much. It's tiny. I went today. They didn't have much. So I did buy the acrylic paint that I'm going to paint the 2 boxes, and then these spice racks. I'm going to paint them these 4 colors. So, and then the 2 boxes, I think I'm going to paint them these 2 colors or these 2 colors. So this was $8.99, and then this one was $4.99, the smaller acrylic paints. So that's how that looks. These are the colors that you do get in here. And then these are the colors that you get in here. So then I picked up this Chamel Head in the Clouds for $2.99. One I'm gonna put it in Happy Mail and one I'm gonna keep for myself. then I bought these pins, the enamel pin set, the dog one, and the coffee one. I used to be a coffee drinker, but then I can't drink coffee anymore because my heart goes too fast. It's already fast enough. Then I only found one Maggie Holmes stamp, and this is from the crepe paper. I don't know which one, because it says stamp ACRMH heart, so I don't know which one this goes to. And if I do have this stamp, it's gonna go on Happy Mail. And that's it for Tuesday morning. And now for Hobby Lobby. I did go today also. They didn't have a lot of stuff on clearance. I think I went too late because I didn't go during the week. So that's that. Let me move that out of the way. So Hobby Lobby, I'm going to show you the clearance stuff. So I did buy this for $2.74. Is the coffee. That's what it shows. And you could do shakers with this. So that's good for $2.74. Then for $2.24 I bought this Happy Planner. I bought it because of the numbers. I want it so that I don't have to buy the stickers anymore. I just stamp it with the numbers. So that was $2.24, and this is what you do get in this set. You get the weeks, and then some designs, and then the numbers 1 to 31. Sorry for the glare. Then I picked up this sticker for 74 cents, and it's the girls. And then I picked up this one for 74 cents, and it's different in here. And I bought two of them, one for Happy Mail and one for me. Then I picked up these beads for $1.74, and it has little arrows inside of them. I thought that was cute. Then I picked up the Tim Holtz for 87 cents, the fasteners, 3 different colors. Then I picked up this Distress Oxide for $1.74, and it's the cracked pistachio. I don't think I have this one. So then I picked up these beads for $4.49, and it's black and white, and it has hearts in the black and white, and then it has a rose gold, pink, and some silver right there. So I thought that was nice, and I like that one with the chevron right there. So that's cute for $4.49. I would never pay $17.99 for that. Then things that were not on sale, I picked up this Cricut infusible ink. Is the transfer sheets for $12.99, and I did use the 40% off coupon on this. Then I bought this Tombow glue gun because I have the refills, but I never bought the container, so now I have the container, and this was $6.99. Then I bought 6 aprons because I'm going to use this into this apron and write something on them, because I bought 6 of them. They were 30% off. So I picked those aprons up. Then I picked up this storage memory keeper for $12.99. I did pay full price, and I'm thinking of putting my what is it? My cardstock with the sets in here. Because I also picked up something from scrapbook.com that goes inside here, hopefully. So I'm hoping that fits in there. So that is it for that, and I'll come back with an Amazon and a scrapbook.com haul also. Small items, but that's it. As always, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see videos like this. And leave me a comment down below. And I do try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.